Good morning, children. Let us continue lesson 5, that is decimal. Last class we have seen how to solve decimal like to unlike fraction, unlike to like fraction, and comparing of decimal numbers, ascending order and descending order. Today we will see addition and subtraction of decimals. For adding and subtracting the decimal numbers, we arrange the numbers one below the other such that the decimal point in number are in vertical line. That means two decimal numbers are given, we will write in vertical and then we will add. While arranging the digits of the decimal number, they must be put at a proper places. All vacant places should be filled in with 0. That means we will solve and we will see how to add decimal numbers. Question number 1 in MCQ 5.3. The sum of 0.5 and 0.5. We have to find out the sum. So first we will write in vertical 0.5, then 0.5. Now add it. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So our correct answer is option number C. So we will put the correct answer in C. In question number 2, subtracting 69.021 from 500.3, we get the difference. Difference means minus. So which is the greater number? 503. So first we will write 500.3 and next is 69.021. 021. Look here, it is different, so we will put minus sign. Here we will see number is not only one digit is given, here 3 digits are given. So first we will fill the vacant place. So we will put 0 and we will fill the vacant place. In addition also, in subtraction also same thing you will do. Now you will subtract. We can't subtract 1 from 0, so we will borrow from here. It can't give, so he will take from here. So it become 10 and it become 9 and it will be 2. Now 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 2 minus 0 is 2, and here again it will borrow 10, it become 9, it is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, and it is 4. So our correct answer is 431.279, which is your option number D. So we will put the correct answer D. Now in question number 3, the difference between 5.005 and 4.9. Difference we have to find out. So we will subtract. First we will write the greater number. Which is greater? 5.005 is greater. Now next number is 4.9. Again you will see here 3 digits, here only 1 digit. So we will put here 0. Understood? When you will write the numbers, this decimal will be state, that number should be state. Then you will subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. Here 9, we can't subtract 9 from 0, so we will borrow. It become 10, it become 4. Now 10 minus 9 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. And we will put decimal. So our correct answer is 0.105, which is your option number A. So you will put tick mark in A. Understood? Now next question is question number 4. Subtracting the sum of 2.5 and 2.51. First we will add. First we will find out the sum of 2.5 and 2.51. So first we will add it. 2.5 plus 2.51. Here no number is here, so we will put 0 and now add. 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So our sum is 5.01. We will subtract this number from the sum of 2.95 and 2.5. Again here vacant place, so we will put 0 and add. 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now look here, which is greater, 5.01 or 5.45? 5.45 is greater. Okay, so 5.45 we will subtract here 5.45 minus 5.01. So we will subtract here 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0. So our correct option is 0.44, which is your number C. So you will put the correct answer number C. Fill-ups, that is question number 2. Here also you will add and fill the fill-ups. 0.3 plus 3.0. Number 2 is 6.1.0.04. Now look here, you will add it first 0.3, then again 0.3. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So your answer is 0.6. Next is 6.1 0.04. Here vacant place is there, so you will put 0. Now add it. 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 0 is 6. So 6.14 is your answer. You will solve this question, that is 3, 4 and 5. It will be homework. Now next question you will see, that is your question number 3. In question number 3, arrange in column and add. First you will arrange in column. Question number 1 is 9.9, 0.1, 52.7 and 58.0. So first is 9.9, write here 9.9, then 0.1, 0 will here 1, then 52.7, 5, 2.7. Next is 58.0. Children, you will put decimal state and all the numbers should be state. Understood? Here no digit is there. You can put 0, otherwise if you will not put, then it is also correct. Okay? Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 7, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So 120.7. It is your answer. Understood? Now next question is question number 2 is this one. You will write it 0.789, 4.125, 1.75. Here vacant place, so you will put here 0. 0.325. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 9. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 2 12. 12 plus 5 17. 18. 19. 9. 1 carry. Then 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 5 16 17. 18 will come here. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 3 19. 9. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So our correct answer is 6.989. This is the answer. Understood, children, how to add? Now we will move question number 4. In question number 4, find the sum. .013 plus 7.3 plus 8.23 plus 3.57. First you will write this number 0.013, then this one 7.3, here vacant place, so you will put 20. Next is 8.23, here vacant place, so we will put 0. Here 3.57, here vacant place, so you will put 0. Now add it. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 7 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. So our answer is 19.113. Like this you will add. One more question we will do, that is number 2. 1.00 plus 1.010 plus 1.1 plus 0.011 plus 0.101. Here 1.00, then 1.010. Here vacant place, so you will put 0. Then again 1.1. Here vacant place, so you will put 0. this number 0.011, this number 0.101. Now add it. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, then is 3. So correct answer is 3.22. So how to add understood? Now you will do, that is question number 3 to 6. It will be homework. 3 to 6 number. You will try to do. Next question is subtraction. Here subtract. It is given in vertical form 32.02, 21.61. Okay, now subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1. We can't subtract 6 from 0, so we will borrow. It become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. It gave 1, so it become 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our correct answer is 10.41. Like this you will solve this question 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next we will see subtract each of the number by 12. That is your question number 6. A is given 7.013. We have to subtract from 12. So first we will write 12 because 12 is a greater number from 7. And after 12 no digit is given here. Decimal is also not given here. So we can put here 30 because 3 digit is here. Understood? Now next you will write this 7.013. Understood children? We have to subtract it from 12. Okay. But in 12 not given decimal, so we will put decimal, and 0 we will put 30 because 30 we will put because here 3 digits are there. So 12.000 and you will write here 7.013. Now you will subtract. We can't subtract 3 from 0, so we will borrow here 10. It become 9, and become 11. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 0 9, 11 minus 7 is 4. So your correct answer is 4.987. So all the number you will subtract from 12. Understood? So you will do, only 2 questions are there, that is 2, 3 and 4. Understood? Next we will see question number 7. It is our last question. Again you will same thing you will do. Here subtract. Subtraction it is. So number 1 is 65.005 from 99.449. Which is the biggest number? 99.449. So you will write it first, 99.449. It is the smallest number. So you will write it like this. Now subtract it. 9 minus 5, 4. Then 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. So our correct answer is 3.444. It is the answer. Understood? Question number 2 it is. Next. It is very easy. Only addition and subtraction is there. You will careful for writing the numbers and putting the decimal. Number question 2 is 64.444 from 99.449. Here it is the biggest number, so you will write it first, and then this number 64.444. If any number will be less, you will put 0 in vacant place, and then you will subtract or add. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 6 is 3. Like this you will subtract. So you will do this question number 3 to